Hey guys, Marabou22 here, and the women's in the outdoors doing kayaking. Well, I have to say right now, this is the most fun I've had in weeks. And this is only a 2-day trip, but it's totally worth it. So far, I have done edible and medicinal plant identification, made some wonderful acorn tortillas there. I have done geology and got a bag of nothing but fossils, even though they're seashells, but still beautiful. And was supposed to do archery this morning. Counselors had missed message, but instead chose kayaking, and right now I am just enjoying this. But I'll be doing some rowing soon. So I'll have to put down the camcorder. Excuse the mess, and if you see us at the Bat Cave, don't check for Batman. It's just really beautiful here at Lake Tinkiller, down by the marina docks, and so far we've seen hawks and eagles and a couple of cranes. And got a clam. I'm not showing you Bob yet. Bob the clam. But he is out there. Back on shore. But again, Marabou22. And I guess I'll log in later. See ya.